I'm Lola, and this is the Hollyland Quicktech teaching program where you will learn about Hollyland products. If you have any questions about the Hollyland products, leave a question in the comment section and we will provide the answer as fast as possible. Our product today is the new Lark C1 microphone. We are going to demonstrate some of its advanced operations, beginning with our mobile app, LarkSound. Hollyland's new mobile app for the Lark C1 LarkSound offers multiple advanced operation options that will enhance the Lark C1 recording experience. This powerful app provides an at-a-glance display to view the TX battery level percentage, adjust the noise cancelling level, perform an upgrade, or control the volume. You can search for and download the app in the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. First, make sure your smartphone is connected to the internet. Then connect the receiver to the phone and connect the transmitter to the receiver. Open the LarkSound app and type the icon in the upper right corner to start the upgrade process. Follow these important tips. First, the app cannot run in the background during the upgrade. Second, during the upgrade, connect the transmitter to a stable power source and do not turn it off. Third, the receiver needs to be plugged into the phone again after the upgrade. Fourth, you need to manually pair the receiver with the transmitter again after the upgrade. In quieter conditions, use weak noise cancellation or turn the noise cancellation function off. For higher level of background sounds, use strong noise cancellation. When the noise cancellation function is turned off, the voice will be recorded along with any intended or unintended background sounds. Yes, this is an interesting capability. The important first step is to connect the Bluetooth earphone to your phone and then plug the Lark C1 into the phone. Otherwise, the microphone of the Bluetooth earphone will be preferentially used. Volume adjustment can be made via the LarkSound app. The recording level adjustment depends on the distance between the mic and the sound source. Ideally, adjust the audio level peaks in the yellow range in the LarkSound app. Again, I'm Lola, and this is the Hollyland Quicktech teaching program about Hollyland products. Thank you for watching!